Now we're going to use design themes to format our presentation. Right now our presentation is pretty much complete, but it looks kind of plain. So how can we make it appear more visually interesting and attractive? Well, up here we have a tab called Design, and if you'll see, there are thumbnails of what we call themes. A theme is a set of formatting that you can quickly apply to all the slides in your presentation. So let's say if I point to this theme here, it previews what the slide would look like if this theme were applied. Same thing here. Okay, I simply have to point to the theme, and I can preview my slide using that theme. And as you can see, themes can add background colors, they can change the fonts or the appearance of the text and characters in a slide, they can add background images, background colors, they can change the appearance of bullet points, and so on. So remember, we're building a business presentation, so we can't really use a theme that has something like this, snowflakes in the background, no matter how attractive it looks. Okay, so I'm previewing a number of themes. Now you can choose any of the themes that are built into PowerPoint, or you can look for themes, other themes that might be online or already downloaded to your hard disk. Now I provided you with a theme in the zip file that I made available on Sol. And if you have extracted your zip file, the theme should be somewhere on your hard disk. So let's browse for themes, and let's look for the theme which I downloaded already for you. And here are the files from that zip file, and one of them is called Session 2 Cloud Computing Lab, and the type of file is a theme. Now this theme is something I downloaded from Microsoft Office website, so you can go ahead and select this theme and click Apply. And now you'll see that the theme has been applied to all the slides. So it has changed the fonts, it has added some background color and some arrows here. It has changed the fonts. It has even changed the position of some of our elements. So if you look at on the slide titled Agenda, the image is now covering part of the bullet points. So you do have to go through every slide and do some adjustments, because the themes that you applied may have moved things somewhat. You just have to go over and see that none of the slides looks bad. So like for the table here, obviously it doesn't look so good. It's now extending beyond the available slide area, so we need to adjust the table, and perhaps we need to change the fonts. Right now it is size 18, so that's the minimum size that we recommend for PowerPoint. So instead of making the fonts smaller, we can't go any smaller. Let's just make the table a little wider, and that should give us more room. Okay, let's make it wider and shorter, a little bit more. Okay, so that looks fine, and okay, this slide looks fine. The chart looks okay. Okay, our case studies. Okay, the plus sign just needs to be moved back. Okay, and here's our background image, and the theme has also changed the color of our word art, so it's up to you if you want to keep this color or if you want to change it. And I may need to change the font size here. All right, and